Yes students, now we will continue exercise 15.1. In exercise 15.1 first video, we have find out mean deviation about mean and median and grouped data. Now from question number 5, fifth onward, table is given to you means grouped data is given to you. So today we will start second type of for mean deviations. So see question number 5. In question number 5, question number 5 and 6 are similar. I am explaining question number 5. Question number 6 you will do yourself. So listen question number 5 very carefully. Find the mean deviation about mean. Now in question number 5, xi and fi, these two given to you. So firstly we will make this table. Fi is given to you 5, 10, 15, 20, then 25. Fi is 7, 4, 6, 3 and 5. Now in this grouped data we will find out mean deviation. Firstly see what is the formula for mean deviation. We have to find out mean deviation about mean. So we will find out firstly mean. Formula for mean, all of you know that, summation fi xi divided by summation fi, and formula for mean deviation is summation fi mod xi minus x bar divided by summation xi. So according to these two formulas, firstly we will calculate mean. For mean we need product of fi and xi. So we will form next column fi into xi, and here we need mode of xi minus x bar also. So we will make two columns. One is xi minus x bar, means deviations. Then we will take mode of this value, means xi minus x bar mode. You can take these two columns together also, it depends upon you. And in next column we will take product of fi and mode xi minus x bar. So we will complete all these columns firstly. So now these two columns given to you. Heading of third column is fi into xi. So find out product of these two columns. This is 35. If you have learned all the formulas, after that just calculation work is there. So do the calculations very carefully. This is the product of fi and xi. Now this sum we need for mean fi into xi, sum of this column. This is equal to 350. I have already calculated it. And sum of all the frequencies, these values, this is 25. So mean is summation fi xi, which is equals to 350 divided by summation fi, which is equals to 25, and 350 divided by 25, this is equals to 14. Now we will subtract x bar, means mean, from all these observations. Xi minus x bar, this is equals to minus 9, minus 4, 15 minus 14 plus 1, 20 minus 14, 6, 25 minus 14, this is 11. Now we will take mode of this. After taking mode, all values becomes positive. Now we will multiply this mode by f. This is the f. 7 into 9, this is 63, 4 into 4, 16, 6 into 1, 6, 6 into 3, 18, and 5 into 11, 55, and sum of all these values, this is equals to 158. So now see, according to this formula, value of mean deviation about mean, this is equal to summation fi xi minus x bar, this is equals to 158 divided by summation fi, this is equals to 25, and 158 by 25, when you will calculate it, you will get 6.32. So this is the value of a mean deviation about a mean. In this way, if fi and xi given to you, then with the help of this you can find out a mean deviation. Now question number 6 is similar to question number 5, so you will do yourself question number 6. Now I am explaining next question, question number 7. In question number 7, find the mean deviation about median. Now again in question number 5, fi and xi given to you, but now we will calculate value of mean deviation about mean. So now firstly we will make two given columns fi and xi. Xi is given to you 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15, and fi is given to you 8, 6, 2, 2, again 2, and then 6. Now next, in this we will find out firstly median. Now see firstly how you will find out median. See how many total number of observations are there. Sum of Fi column, it gives you total number of observations. Total 26 observations are there, and if you eliminate, remove both side equal number of terms. So in out of 26, after removing 12 terms both side, then in the middle you will get two terms, 13th term and 14th term. Now what is value of 13th term? So how you will calculate 13th term? Firstly find out cumulative frequency CF. 8 as it is, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 2 20, and 20 plus 6 26. You can check the last term of cumulative frequency, it should match with this sum 26. Now here 13th and 14th term, here up to 14th term, from 9 to 14 terms, value of all the observations is 7. So 13th term is 7, 14th term is also 7, and mean of these two observations it gives you 7. So what is the value of median in this case? Median will be 7. Median is equal to 7. Now we will make next column deviations of all the observations with median, means xi minus m. Next column we will take mode xi minus m, and in next column we will multiply this mode with frequency, means fi xi minus m. So we will find out these three columns. Now xi minus m, 5 minus 7 minus 2, 7 minus 7 0, 9 minus 7 2, then 3, 12 minus 7 5, 15 minus 7 8. In next we will take mode 0, 2, 3, all these value becomes positive. In next we will multiply this modulus with frequency, 8 into 2 16, 6 into 0 0, then 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 5 10, 6 into 8 48, and sum of all these values, this is equals to 84. So now we will calculate mean deviation. Now see what is the formula for mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median, this is equal to summation fi mode xi minus m divided by summation fi. So here what is sum of this column? 84, and sum of all the frequencies is 26. So 84 by 26, this is equals to 3.23. So this is the value of a mean deviation. So after question number 7, I am explaining one more question of this exercise, and remaining sums you will try yourself. In remaining sums also same method is used. So I will explain one more question, last question of this exercise. That is, now see question number 9. In question number 9, find the mean deviation about mean. Now what is difference? We have started now third type. In third type mean deviation, now intervals given to you. In first kind ungrouped data was there. In second kind xi and fi, these two things were given to you. Now in third kind intervals and frequency, these two things given to you, and see how you will calculate mean deviation. After 9th, in 10th, 11th, 12th, in all the sums intervals given to you. So question number 9 to 12, these are similar. I am explaining question number 9. Remaining you will try yourself. Now intervals and fi, these two things given to you in question number 9. So intervals, first interval is 0 to 100, then 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, then 400 to 500. In this way all intervals of equal length given to you up to 800. Frequency is 4, 8, 9, 10, 7, 5, 4 and 3. We need sum of all the frequencies. So firstly calculate capital N, or you can say summation fi. This is equals to 50, means sum of all observations. Now see how you will calculate xi in this case. Xi means mid value of all these intervals. Mid value of this interval from 0 to 100, this is 50. Mid value of next interval, then 150, 250, 350, 450, 550, 650, and mid value of last interval is 750. In this way, by taking mid value of a given interval, you will find out xi. After finding fi xi, you will take product of fi and xi, because we want to find out mean deviation about mean, and for mean formula is summation fi xi divided by summation fi. So we will calculate firstly product of these two columns. So see what is product. 50 into 4 200. Next product will be 1200. Already I have calculated. Calculation work done. You will do calculation work very carefully. If you have learnt all the formulas, then only calculation work is there in this chapter. Now this is the product of these two columns fi and xi, and sum of all these values, it is 17900. So what will be the mean? 17900 divided by sum of all observations, which is equals to 50, and when you will divide it by 50, you will get 358. This is value of a mean. Now mean deviation about mean, you know very well what is the formula. Summation fi mod xi minus x bar divided by summation of xi. So now for this mean we need mod xi minus. Firstly we will calculate difference. In next column we will take mod, and then in last column we will take product of fi and mod xi minus x bar. So see what is xi minus x bar. Xi is 50 and x bar is 358. So 50 minus 358, this is minus 308, then minus 208, minus 108, and 350 minus 358, this is minus 8. Now 450 minus 358, you will get positive result 92. Now add 100, 100, 192, 292, and last is 392. Now after taking mod, all these value becomes positive. 308, 208, 108, 8, 92, 192, 292, and 392. Now we will multiply this modulus with f frequency. So take product of these two columns. 308 into 4, this is 1232. Next product will be 1664. Next 972, 80. Then 644. Again I am saying you will do calculation work very carefully. Check my calculation also. If any mistake is there, you can do correction. Now this is the sum of this product 17896, and sum of all the frequencies is 50. So what is the value of median? 17896 divided by 50, and when you will divide it, so it will give you approximately 157.92. So this is the value of mean deviation about mean if intervals given to you, means data is given to you in form of intervals. So this is the third type in which we have calculated mean deviation. So remaining questions of this exercise you will do yourself.